Then we turn 15 process.
Okay. First, I will turn on my body cam,
Bro,
and I'm I press Z muscle, and I will ask him, sir, I will
bro,
cuffing you.
bro, when
Uh,
you come on
Yes.
duty, you want to turn on your body cam before arresting. If you want lawyer, so where you give proof, you want to take proof, bro. When you get on duty, your make sure your body cam is always on, okay?
What?
When you get on duty, make sure your body cam is always on.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So I will drag him. I will press X muscle and I will drag him by my arms, and I will press C muscles and ask him, sir, I am getting you inside the vehicle. Please watch your head. And which is my badge number? Like example 704 to dispatch. Show me 1017 to DOC with 1 10 15 or 2 10 15, and with two additionals or zero additionals. And when I cuff him, so I will tell him the charge, okay? And I will read his Miranda rights. You have right to be remain silent. Anything you say can will be used in against of law. You have a right to attend an attorney. If you cannot afford attorney, one will be provided you by the state. That no cost on you. If you decide to answer question, you can stop anytime and invoke your lawyer. Can you understand your rights? I will read 3 times. He don't reply, so I will consider that I understood. I I think you understood your right, or I will consider that. He asked for a lawyer, so then I go to lawyer room, and I am press. Uh, when I go to DOC, I will press on a vehicle, Gmail on a vehicle, and drop him. And I will say first, I will say that I am getting you inside the vehicle. Please watch your head. When I don't say that, he considers that a fail RP, uh, and I am drag him by my arms. Use X muscle, and I will leaving you by my arms uh, when I go inside from the counter, and I will ask him which junk soup size you prefer, small, medium, or large. So
Hey man,
he doesn't respond.
yo,
I will
can you
ask
call
him.
your HR?
Uh, I will ask him. You will since you don't reply, I will consider that you need free size jumpsuit, and I will add one uh, command at RP section, that is slash
Are
me
you in HR?
hold or grab a jumpsuit, small or large or universal or free size jumpsuit from the counter, and I will drag him and take him the cell. I will drop. I will him. I will drop you by my arms,
Hey,
and once more command slash me place a jump suicide on bed, and I will ask him, sir, you have 5 seconds to remove your mask. He doesn't remove. I will ask him, so since you have removed your mask, I will tear it. I will use Gmuscle and go to organization and tear off his mask. Now I will ask him, show me your passport. If he doesn't show his passport, so I will ask him, since you don't show me your passport, uh, don't show me your passport. I will check your left and right pockets for your ID, and I will search him for an illegal item and says that I will searching for an illegal item. I am, and I will ask him, I am gonna confiscate your all. illegal item and take the screenshot and put in confiscation logs and search his name to PDA and issue him fine and add him to wanted list. And I will ask him, okay, sir, I will issue a fine and add you to wanted list. I am putting you in jumpsuit and arresting you, and I will use G mask and arrest him. And sir, can I and go toward the wall and face it, and I am leaving. And how I live attempting situation. So my 1015 is now 1099. Is now 1099. I'm going to patrolling again. Okay.
If they want to tell me the process,
Yes.
call the lawyer. Tell me the process to call the lawyer.
When he wants a lawyer, so I will take him to a lawyer room and I will provide him a body cam, and he also provide him a body cam. And when yes, what are you saying? What are you saying,
Okay,
Babu? Baba?
okay, listen. Tell him the
What?
how to give fine to any vehicle.
Any vehicle? So first I will check in penal codes that this is illegal parking at where. So I will copy the uh, penal code from there, and I will check also in PDA when he get a
Motu.
fine from this reason, so I will not give him
What a
a
funny name,
fine.
Baramoto.
Okay. And also uh, uh, when he don't
Did you have access to
get
email?
a
Did you have access to
when
mail?
he don't get
Yeah,
a
I
fine,
need females.
so I will
Okay,
issue
I will
him a
join
fine.
Gmail. I will drag you.
Issue him a fine
Did you check? Did you check?
and provide his body cam at my logs. Okay.
Like promote him from press on
Tell me
him.
the
Go to the
process
invite
of towing vehicle.
leader.
What? Okay. Uh, First I am uh, search him when he is illegal parked. So I will uh, take a screenshot of his info, his vehicle info when he get out today. Illegal impound of this car. Issue fine or that thing. So I will don't give him, and when he don't, so I will go to garage and uh, take a tow truck, and I will come and tow his car and issue fine of the reason, and I will get go to impound and impound his car.
When you tow a car, first of all you
Yes.
come out and check he have no penalty today for illegal parking.
Oh,
And after this,
I
you press
told you
C
that.
muscle. After this, you press C muscle. I am just telling.
Okay, okay,
C
okay,
muscle and evacuate the vehicle and take photos and save to the PDA and just sit in your truck and tow. Okay.
okay, okay,
And after this, you go to the penalty parking and see the state your car and give fine.
okay. And next,
Yes.
past. I am past.
No, no. This is the end of towing process. You are cadet, so I think you already give to sell insurance and license plate exam.
Yes. Yes, I know how to sell insurance